there, it's Vicki Marie. I'm going to take you guys along on a productive day in the life today. That's what I thought I'd come back around and just show you guys some of that. I think I sleep better. Now, I'm saying that, Jim, and I don't know if I'm going to go, well, blah, blah, blah. Not going to get into all that. Let's just jump in the car. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way. So this is that Maybelline lip liner I bought at Walmart on my shop with me the other day. All natural, 780 I think is the number. Whoops. Yeah, 780. And I really like it. And then this was the CoverGirl, part of the CoverGirl lipstick I bought with the like the moisturizer and then the color. What I've been doing is just using this as the chapstick, which I just use chapstick a lot anyway. But this is supposed to be 24-hour wear. And yeah, if you watched that shop with me, you would have seen me pick this up. And actually tastes really pretty good. It's got a nice, well, taste, yeah, but you know, it's got a nice scent to it. The Maybelline lip liner here. Okay, it's pretty natural color, and I just put it around as a lip liner, but then I also just kind of bring the color in and fill in a little bit with it too. And then here's the Lawless Forget the Filler clear gloss, and I still am using this. I really like it. So yeah. That's kind of what I'm doing for my makeup. I just wanted to show you. I like to do the shop with me's, but also show you that I do use what I bought. And I've still been doing a little bit of impulse buying. Like I'll see something on a YouTube channel. A friend of mine will like do a haul or something, or a makeup demonstration. And I go, okay, I see it and I think I'm going to try that. And I've gotten better. I'm trying not to do so many impulse buys. The Maybelline or the CoverGirl lipstick that I bought the other day while I was in the checkout line, that was totally an impulse buy. I didn't need to buy that. Like I really didn't. I wanted the lip liner. That's what I went there for. The lip liner and the skincare. This is the skincare up close that I bought. The CeraVe facial moisturizer lotion. I got that AM, and I also got the PM. And I've been mixing them both. The AM I mix with my Clinique Vitamin C, and the PM I mix with my Clinique Vitamin D, or Vitamin A. I do take vitamin D supplements. So, yeah, so I just thought I'd come back around and just show you guys some of that. And so, all right, so I'm going to just, I just had a protein bar for breakfast. That's really been helping me curb my sweet tooth. I wanted to just let you guys know I'm not totally out of control. Like a lot of times when I vlog, it's because I'm doing something interesting, and I vlog about an interesting day out, which always entails me eating something naughty. It's not really naughty, but you know, it's in my overall plan because I can still manage to do that. As long as my blood pressure doesn't, you know, get out of control and all of that. I do have a checkup coming up in about a couple weeks. So we'll see how that goes. Actually, it's more like, no, it's 2 months. It's the end of May. That's it. Like, so I have that coming up, but for the most part, I feel pretty good about how I feel. I slept better last night. I do think it's because I'm getting more cardio and I'm just burning off some of that energy, the nervous energy. I'm getting stuff done. I'm taking care of things. I think one of the things that keeps me up at night is unfinished business and like too much clutter and not enough cardio. Like I think those two things, when I take time to get stuff done and I don't have a lot of things weighing on me, And I also am getting my cardio. I think I sleep better. Now, I'm saying that now, and we'll see what happens, because you guys know I like to just vlog, do these vlogs and update you on how things are going. But that's what I've been talking about lately, is the sweet tooth, the sweet cravings, the sleep, like I haven't been sleeping well. And those, and then updating my wardrobe for spring, and getting my stuff decluttered. So this is just, I went to Target the other day. I did a little haul there, had this sack. I just filled it up. It's full of stuff to go to Goodwill. This is stuff I just pulled out of my nightstand. I have 3 drawers in my nightstand, totally decluttered them. So I am making progress on decluttering and making room. So as I bring new things into the house, I'm also being very mindful to let go of some things that I'm holding on to that I no longer need. So over there is my little corner. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Guys, remember the sheets I bought at Sam's Club? We love them. Absolutely love those Sam's Club sheets we hauled. These are the 3 drawers, and I just got this one cleaned out. And this is all that's left, is an eye mask, some cream, body cream, a file, fingernail file. That's a screw. I don't know what that's doing in there. This is a penny, or old penny. And then here I have a reading lamp. This is just like the knot in the wood. We bought this dresser new, but it's been some years ago. So anyway, I have some pins here. Maybe this was a leaky pin at some point, but I have pins in here. And I want to add my journal so I can write stuff, but I use my phone so much now when I journal quickly. Like if I wake up and have a dream, I will write it down in the morning. So stuff like that. Then my second drawer, I just have some night shirts. That's all that's in here now. I just left a few. And this bottom drawer, nothing. Empty. And I did put on this long sleeve shirt over my short sleeve t-shirt. This is sort of what I like to do when I go to the gym, is just have a long sleeved option. When I first get there to warm up, I've been warming up on the treadmill. And sometimes it can be a little bit chilly in the gym, especially in the early morning. So, all right, I'm going to head out to the gym, and I'll check back in with you guys in a bit. I did have to come back in for my coat. It's like 45 degrees out, but there's a breeze, and it just feels really chilly. So I had to get my coat on. Now I'm ready to get out the door. I'm heading to the gym. I'll check in with you guys in a bit. And just a quick update on my weight. I started weighing myself every day about 5 years ago, and I know some people would say that's a little over the top, but that's what works for me. I know what my trend is. My weight fluctuates from day to day depending on if I lift weights, I can get some inflammation. My weight can go up 2 pounds overnight. It's even been known to go up 3 pounds overnight if I eat French fries. So I know what food does to my body, but you can see my trend is flat. So I know how to keep it kind of under control. And also I'm staying off blood pressure medication. I did lose, I had a goal to lose 30 pounds and get off blood pressure medication. That was something I achieved, and I'm very proud of that achievement. And I'm maintaining now, and we'll see. I have to check up with my doctor. My blood pressure is a little bit higher again, and I'm keeping an eye on it. But yeah, I'm just really happy with this, with where I'm at right now, and exercise is a huge part of it. Finished up my workout today. I met Melinda and did my treadmill work and got my music going there. I've been listening to some different music. I like classical music, and I like all kinds of music. You can kind of probably tell from my channel because I'm always putting different, I try to pick music out that resonates with the kind of beat, the mood I want to create, the vibe I want to create. So I use music as an environment. I think music, whoops, there's my water bottle. That water bottle, by the way, this water bottle, I bought at TJ Maxx the other day. It was like $12 and something. It holds 32 ounces of water. This has helped me so much to stay hydrated. I've basically been drinking a full one of these a day, and then in the morning I drink 2 glasses when I get up. I drink 2 glasses at lunch, and then 2 glasses So I've only been filling this up once, but if I just drink all of this on top of what I'm already drinking, it works out really well. And I know that I finally got a really good night's sleep last night for the first time in forever. And the only thing I can figure out is either I was just so exhausted, which that could be, but some other things that I've been really doing is getting more protein in my diet, getting more cardio again, drinking plenty of water, and then taking care of some of the things on my to-do list that have been nagging at me. So I've been quieting that monkey mind by just dealing with things. That is all. Those are things I've been doing that I think have helped me to get a good night's sleep. Now, I could be wrong. Plus, like I said, maybe I was just so dang exhausted that I finally just got some sleep. Let me know in the comments if is anybody else having trouble sleeping. You know, let me just ask. Is that a silly question? Or, I mean, I think we're all a little more anxious than usual. I also think because everything's going on, we're wired to sort of predict what might go wrong and to prepare for it. And I think a lot of people are feeling a little bit like, okay, I've got to prepare, I've got to be prepared. And that's how I am, like just sort of a little bit more on guard, you know? So, yeah. Anyway, Roscoe's doing really well after his trip to the vet the other day. He's doing really well. Like I said, I took him over to Dairy Queen and got him a pup cup. And they're still doing free pup cups over there. And I got myself, guys, I mean, I've been really good with the sugar, but I did get myself a small chocolate chip cone. So that was my treat. So far, that's really the only treat I've had this week because I've been doing really well. Gosh. So. Okay, I've got to tell you guys, let's talk food, shall we? So my favorite breakfast. So I bought that olive oil mayonnaise. I bought the olive oil mayonnaise from Walmart, and I mixed. So I always boil a bunch of eggs, and I always have boiled eggs in the fridge. So what I did is I took a boiled egg, I chopped it up. I actually took 2 boiled eggs, chopped it up, mixed it with some of that mayonnaise. Basically, I made an egg salad is what I did. The olive oil based mayonnaise with a little bit of pepper. I mean, you could add pickle relish too. I didn't, but you could. You could add mustard. I didn't. But just with the mayonnaise, pepper, and egg, I mixed that all together. And I really didn't use that much mayonnaise. So it wasn't like a lot of mayonnaise. But then I spread that over toast. This morning I had a Quest bar, protein bar though. I didn't have my egg this morning. All right, and so tonight I don't know what we're having, but I'll let you guys know. I might have another egg salad sandwich. Like honestly, that's so good with maybe a side salad or something. Oh my gosh. I'm getting hungry, so we're going to go into Barnes & Noble real quick. I'm going to get a coffee. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. So we ended up having a cup of coffee, and that's all I had today. I didn't have any food at all. That Quest protein bar has really done its job, because even after my workout and then sitting here and having coffee for about 20 minutes, I'm still not hungry. So, but I just took a really quick walk through Barnes & Noble. And as you can see, I mean, they just have tons of books. Big surprise. But I do love their gift aisle too. I was going to go down that aisle and film a little bit, but there was a woman there and she was on the phone. So, but I'm going to come back around here now and show you guys some of the Easter decor and just cute little gift ideas that they have for Easter. I just love this, like stationery and pins, and there they had some Godiva and hot chocolate. We'll go back and look at that in just a minute. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. And I did not buy anything but a cup of coffee today. But yeah, here we come back to the Godiva chocolate there. And yeah, we'll go around on the other side of this display here in just a minute. But yes, look at all of this. I love stuff like this for Easter. I just love you know, when I do the little gift baskets, which I still do for the kids, and now I do bags. I don't do baskets. They're adults now, but I do always put some cute little Easter things in their Easter bags that I make up for them. So Yep, and I just love all the Peter Rabbit, little stuffed Peter Rabbits there, and they had a cute little candle there. Look at this chick. He's so cute. And that little flowering pot. Just really, really cute. So that was my little quick walk through Barnes & Noble. There's my coffee there. So I'm going to head home now, and I think I'm going to do a chili mac. And I just have the Velveeta macaroni and cheese at home, so that's what I have. So I'm just going to mix some beef up with that, some chili powder, some chopped tomatoes, and chopped onions. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to do for dinner tonight. And then we'll probably go meatless tomorrow. So that's going to be dinner tonight. So I'll give you guys a look at that when we get home. Now, I did mix up some chili mac. I had some Velveeta mac and cheese. That stuff is dangerously good. And so I got that cooked, and then I added some beef. I make up a big batch of beef when I get it, and I can make several meals from it. So this is a bit of meal prep because I'm adding, a few things to my chili mac. This will be enough for John to have a little bit for dinner, but it's mainly for him to carry for lunches because he eats his bigger meal usually at work during the day, and then we try to eat a little bit lighter in the evening. But this is really, really good. This will make a meal for us. I did have a little bit of this with a salad. So I did end up eating some of this rather than, I didn't have like an egg salad sandwich or anything tonight. But I had just a little bit of this. I am maintaining my weight, and I'm happy about that. And this was just so darn good. So, yeah. And then we will go meatless for tomorrow because we do meatless once a week. So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope that you're doing well. Take good care. I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm all about the good vibes. I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know